Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is the final week in the Let's Move YouTube Hop, and this was hosted by Tiffany McGill, who is crafting like a boss here on YouTube, and also it was put together through her Facebook group, Coffee Cake and Crafting, and I'll leave a link to the Facebook group in case you want to go and come and join. We always have a lot going on. We have swaps, we have collabs like this one. A lot of good conversation going on. Sometimes it has absolutely nothing to do with crafting, but it's always good conversation. So let me show you this week's. Well, you saw this. I showed this the first week. This little Trapper Keep, I guess, or album, whatever you want to call it. So this week I'm showing you the additions I made to it. And this week was Pop, Lock, and Drop It. First week was Shake, Shake, Shaker. Last week was Let Me See You Wobble. This one is Pop, Lock, and Drop It. So here are the shakers. I added those. And you saw this cover and how I made the tab, the shaker, and also the back. So, and you open it up, and I promise you, my whole intention was to make this so this will close. I don't know why I cannot get something thin. Everything is chunky, chunky, chunky. But I like chunky, so it's cool. So you open it, and inside, so I interpreted Pop, Lock, and Drop It to mean like a lot of things moving, maybe some pockets, maybe something popping out at you, a lot of different ways. So here's a pocket here, and this pocket I made this pocket to house the cards that I showed last week for the Wobble 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 week. They won't fit, so it's already too chunky. But so yeah, that's part of the project. But anyway, so here's the first project here, and this would be tied like this, tied in a bow. But here is where I created a shaker here on the front of this piece. I added a shaker here. This is just a sticker from the collection. You bring the sunshine every day. And I made that a cute little cover. And what happens here, this opens and it pops open just like that. Hit my camera, pops, closes, pops. And you could add photos here if you wanted, maybe some small photos here. But I just love the mechanism. I love the idea. And I will put the link of the person that I followed the tutorial by. Really cute. Hers was larger, but I sized it down for this book. So in here, it's closed by a magnet, so you can see this pops open like such. And you have two places here where you could, I guess, put photos or whatever you wanted. And on the side are two pockets. I just have some cut aparts from the collection there. But you could put, photos, whatever. And that's just closed by the magnet, and put paper on the back. Oh, and you can see here, if you can see it, I created a binding system to where I could glue these pages in. And it's just made with a strip of cardstock. I Mountain Valley folded it and then glued it in place so I can have those pages. So here's the next page. And this was made with stickers from the collection. That's some more of the pretty paper. You Bring the Sunshine, cute little bee there. And it just opens this way. And inside I just housed some butterflies that I made. Layered up there. Really cute. So that closes there. And that's layered on the back as well. And then so for the last part of my Pop Lock and Drop It project, I made this box. This box was inspired by a tutorial by Scrap the World. Tamika had made this tutorial a long time ago, and I did something a little different. Well, first is I had to size it down for this box, for this book, but also I did something different. So I have a cut apart here. I have some paper and some gold matting there. This is held with Velcro, and it pops, and I made a lid. And then here's the box. So the box has some acetate. I just cut out some honeycombs with a die and made some little peek throughs, you can see. And the top comes off. And here you have the little thumb grabs where you can open the box. And inside I just have the shakers I created. It closes up like such. I really love how they came out. I thought that's so cute. Excuse me. And so that's that. So I love how this came together. Again, it was supposed to close. So that's that. So if you stuck around this long and watched, I did mention that there will be a giveaway. So this is what I'll be giving away. This album with the cards. And all you have to do is, I want to give it to someone that has supported us in this collab, in this hop. So that means I would want someone that has watched all of our videos, left a comment on all of our videos, subscribe to everyone, and I'll pick a winner. I'll say this time next week. Well, Sunday, sometime Sunday next week. And that's it. And I would get your information, and this will come to you in the mail. A little happy mail for you. So that's that. And because I had this extra sequins, and I did have this other, so I'm gonna do a little second giveaway here. And I want to gift you the sequin mix that I use. I just added this bow. And this is just a mason jar Ziploc that I had purchased, I think. I don't know. I can't remember. I had it so long. So you'll get that. You'll also get this honeybee stamp and die. Unbelievable. Excuse me. And it's so cute. I have all the bees like this. And I didn't use any in this project, but I have used them before. I'll link a video where I did use them. So you'll get that, and you'll get this. And you definitely have met her. This collab, Tamika Sending Smiles. She created this book, and it's for sale on Amazon. And it's called A Swap Tracker, Made with Love. I love the cover. Love how she added the brushes and the colors. That's the back. And what it is just what the title says. It uses to track your swaps. So it's filled with, I don't know how many pages, but a whole lot. And here she has where you can put the date is due out, who hosting it, notes about it. You can check off when you complete different components. It even has a section to put your tracking and how you sent it, UPS, FedEx, whatever. And I love this part. It has a section where you can put things that you might need to purchase and things that you're using from your stash. And really, this should have been bigger. The things to purchase should have been smaller. Because I know we all have a stash that we need to use. But I love this book, so I'm giving this away with this. So this will be the second giveaway. And again, same rules apply. Support everyone in the hub. Make sure you've watched their videos for the last 3 weeks. Left a comment. And I'll pick a winner for this prize as well. So that's all I have today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming along and seeing what projects we came up with. We appreciate you. I appreciate you all totally from hanging around. And hopefully I want everyone to have a good week. Let's think positive. Let's put it in the atmosphere. We're going to have a good week. So enjoy whatever's left of your Sunday. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.